Understanding possessives, determiners versus pronouns. Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into an important aspect of English grammar: possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. These are two types of possessives that sometimes get mixed up, but don't worry. We're going to explore each one, how they're used, and how to differentiate between them. So let's dive in. Possessive determiners, also known as possessive adjectives, come before a noun to show ownership or possession. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, their. For example, this is my book. We're visiting their city. Possessive pronouns, on the other hand, replace a noun to show ownership or possession. They are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. For example, this book is mine. The city we're visiting is theirs. The main difference between these two types of possessives lies in their function and position in the sentence. Possessive determiners come before a noun to show who the noun belongs to. They cannot stand alone. For instance, you would say, "This is my pen," not, "This is my." Possessive pronouns, on the other hand, replace a noun and can stand on their own. For example, you could say, "This pen is mine," not, "This pen is mine." Now, let's test our understanding with some fill-in-the-blank exercises. 1. ___ book is on the table. My, mine. 2. This car is ____. My, mine. 3. ____ shoes are very comfortable. Your, yours. 4. This isn't ____ hat. It's ____. My, mine, your, yours. After going through these exercises, you should have a clearer understanding of when to use possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Great job, everyone! We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying the differences between possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to review and repeat the exercises. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.